We use every space. For a family of 4, every space had to be functional. As you walk through the front door, there's a more formal living room and renovated area. We try to conceal everything behind doors. The living area, because it is quite cosy, we needed to keep it light. By having the large sliding doors, it almost looks like a picture frame out the back to the courtyard. At our firm, we have access to interior architects and create these wonderful homes where the interiors complement the exteriors and vice versa.
One of the things that Victoria is good at is understanding what can be done with an old place to open it up. Her great imagination that really pulled it together. We want to have a space that's set by the volumes, the way the light comes in, or even just a window that just looks at a beautiful tree.
A happy home is when family can see each other at the end of the day and be in one room together and talk about our lives.